Greetings fellow portions of the hyper-conscious singularity. The All-Self is that self which is beyond all of the seemingly fragmented states of consciousness. It is the eternal self, that is beyond form or formlessness, which is the very essence of the hyper-conscious singularity. When all experience is perceived from the state of all-self, other representations of existence are inherently recognized and treated as other selves. All singularized portions of consciousness have the choice to meld into a state of all-selflessness. This choice is a point of conscious transformation, which leads to a new array of hyperneutral behavioral dynamics. Such behavior assists in the evolution of hyperdimensional unconscious zones, as they blossom into states of hyperconsciousness. When one chooses to exist from the eternal place of all-selflessness, every action, reaction, thought, breath, and heartbeat automatically function in universal harmony, without neglecting the essence of the singular self. The love and compassion that emanates from a singularized point of awareness, which is harmonized with the presence of the All-Self, transcends all experiential and interactive scenarios. Through this state, all experience is innately perceived as the continuums of the hyper-conscious singularity, fractally dancing and transforming into the essence of eternity. All seemingly internal and external experiences are dissolved into, and are witnessed as, an experiential singularity of consciousness. After such realization, the identity that which remains in a self is an identity with the awareness and drive to exist and create as, by, and for the hyper-conscious singularity. The body, mind, and consciousness are liberated from all of the distortions situated upon it, and one's singularized existence is cherished through a space of pure, divine, balanced, universal, hyperdimensionally entangled harmony. May eternal unconditional love and blessings pervade the essence of all hyperdimensional forms of consciousness, existence, and experience. Live limitless and adapt. Farewell fellow selves.